Let's take a look at how to install Visual Studio Code on a Mac. To get started, open your browser and go to the Visual Studio Code download page. Under the macOS section, click the download button on the right-hand side of the page. This will start downloading the installer. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and unzip the downloaded file. You'll see the Visual Studio Code application ready to use. You can launch it directly from the Downloads folder, but that's not the most convenient place to keep it. Instead, open Spotlight by pressing Command+Space, type Applications. And open the Applications folder. Now, drag and drop the Visual Studio Code app from the Downloads folder into your Applications folder. At this point, Visual Studio Code is successfully installed on your Mac. You can close the Downloads and Applications folders, as well as your browser and any other open windows. From now on, you can start Visual Studio Code from Launchpad just like any other app. When you open it for the first time, there's one more step to make sure the system recognizes the code command in the terminal. At the top center of the Visual Studio Code window, click the magnifying glass or press Command+Shift+P to open the command palette. Then, type Shell command and select Install Code Command in Path. Once that's done, you'll see a confirmation message. You can click OK and close Visual Studio Code. Now, to test if everything is working, open Spotlight again and search for Terminal. In the Terminal window, simply type code and hit Enter. If Visual Studio Code launches, then the installation was successful and everything is set up correctly. You can now use VS Code freely.